Hey guys, welcome back. We're here with another Ratchet teardown video. Today we have a Channellock Ratchet roundhead. Before we start, could you do me a favor and please give me a like for this video? And I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, here's a Channellock. We know Channellock from their wrenches. Not too much known for their ratchets. I think this probably came out around maybe the 80s. There's the profile, the handle. There's the model, number 906R, USA. I'm pretty sure this came as a set with an adjustable socket when they sold these. I think it came with an adjustable socket, an oversized adjustable socket, and a leather holster. And the socket was pretty big. It looked kind of like a drill chuck because it was adjustable. So you can, I guess, adjust it for whatever size you need it. 10, 12 millimeter, 17, or any SAE sizes, 1/2 inch, whatever, 5/8, whatever size nut you had. But I don't have the socket, but so I just have the wrench. I mean, just have the ratchet. Okay, let's take a look inside. Has the typical coil ring, retention ring around the groove, around the cutout groove on the handle side here. You can see the groove there where the retention ring goes. Okay, you just push it up and take it out. Here you can see the head of the socket and the teeth. Has a cutout on the switch side of the mechanism here. And a very small cutout, maybe cutout or indent on the handle side. That's what the teeth look like. Here's the mechanism. Pretty typical for a round head. Looks a lot like SK, like the SK style mechanism. I think SK usually has 2 teeth in their paws. This one has 3. It's a 3-tooth paw. There's a ball detent there. Don't seem too tight. Kind of light to medium. And the tension there. Okay, to take the switch out, what I usually do is whatever side of the pawl is up, I press it down, depress the plunger, and switch and turn the switch to where the plunger that will usually be under the pawl is underneath the housing here and compressed. Well, then I try to wiggle it out. It's kind of hard to do because there's not much to grab on here. Grab onto. It's starting to come up. You see the lip of the switch is coming up, and then you can stick your nails in there and pry it out. You want to be careful if the plunger don't come flying out, so do little by little. There we go, there's the plunger. There's the switch with the plunging detent. Has a hole in the switch pivot there. And here's your plunger and the spring. It's a hollow plunger. And the spring just goes in it. Like that. Here's your mechanism housing. Here's the post. That the pawl rides on. Let's see if okay. Here's the post. This one looks a little thin. It doesn't look too robust. Here's the pawl. Not huge, but not tiny either. Just kind of regular. Has like a Y. Letter Y on it. This mechanism doesn't strike me as like the strongest mechanism, but I guess it'll do. Here's the mechanism housing. Typical SK style. Okay, to get this back together, just take your pawl. Drop it in the mechanism, line up the hole, take your post, get it in there. You take your spring and plunger, put it in the hole, switch. Set the switch in the hole with the plunger. The plunger's gonna need to be depressed. And then you press it in. And you see, test out the mechanism. The pawl is going up and down. Yep. You take your mechanism, put it in the head. Take your coil spring. Get it in the groove there. And you shimmy it around like that. It clicks in. Make sure it's secure. See if it ratchets. There's the switch. Ratchets. Yep. Well, there we have it. The Channellock number 906R 3/8 drive. Okay, until next time. Bye.